The latest technology that you can get for your house is called a mesh Wi-Fi. This is a mesh Wi-Fi device, and there's lots of different ones that you can get. And what they do is they spread a network, a mesh of Wi-Fi around your house so you get a really good signal pretty much wherever you are. Imagine you've got your house like this. Like that, like that. A couple of rooms. What you need to do is you need to take your mesh routers and you place them in suitable places around your property. Now, instead of each one being a separate Wi-Fi network, what happens is they all spread a signal and they all mesh with each other and combine to make a Wi-Fi network that will cover your entire house. And it's very efficient. It doesn't lose any speed, and wherever you are on your property, you will be able to get the same network. It works seamlessly. You don't even know that you're moving from device to device. Now, it can be a little tricky to set up, but most of them come with an app on your phone that you can use to help decide where's the best place to put the devices. And you just fiddle around with it and move it a little bit and move it a little bit. But once it's set up, it works beautifully and gives you probably the most robust Wi-Fi network that you're able to easily get in your house. Now, there is another way of spreading the Wi-Fi network throughout your house called Powerline. And we've made another video about that you can find on the Fastershire website. And the Fastershire website is, of course, a good place to go if you have any questions about broadband and internet and Wi-Fi.